Many of you are looking for clear skin. Everyone wants smooth, natural, glowing skin. But what you might not be aware of is that there's so many natural ingredients that you can use on the skin to clear the skin up, to get rid of spots and blemishes. Not only that, to get rid of dark under eye circles, and also, guys, to give your skin a natural glow. Ingredient that can also help to tighten and firm the skin. So I am going to show you how I use the potato to make a facial wash. It's a natural facial wash that you can whip up in your kitchen. You can store it in your refrigerator and basically keep it for about 7 days. This facial wash you're going to use all over your face, and it's going to clear hyperpigmentation. It's going to get rid of dull skin, but best of all, it's also going to tighten and firm the skin, which is what I like. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. Before I jump in the kitchen, please watch the video to the end. If you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. It is easy as that. It's free. Just click on it and you are subscribed. On this channel, we share videos on skincare. We also have our own skincare line, and as a matter of fact, we have a line of products that contain potato, which is our supreme line. We're gonna put it in the view products right here, and you can access the product. So now let's get in the kitchen and I'll show you how to make a facial wash using potato. So today we are going to be using a medium potato. Some people call this Irish, some people call it white potato. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to peel the potato. Now, applying potato to the face can offer various benefits, including brightening the skin, reducing dark spots and dark circle, and also helping to smooth the skin. Potato contain an enzyme and vitamins that can help with skin health, making them a natural ingredient for your skincare routine. Using potato on the skin can also help to tighten and firm the skin. It's a good source of vitamin C, and it also helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. So here we have the peeled potato. What I'm going to do, I am going to be blending the potatoes. So I'm going to chop them in small pieces for easier blending. Now, while we're chopping the potato, guys, the potato is also good to make a facial mask. However, today we are making a facial wash. Now, if you do not have the regular Irish, you can also use the red skin potato, but not sweet potato. Now, once this is done, we're going to add the chopped potato to a small blender, and we are going to continue with one more natural ingredient in this, and this is milk. This is regular milk. And you might not know that you can just pour some milk and use it to wash your face. Since milk is beneficial to the skin, it includes natural cleansing, hydrating, and exfoliating properties. Could just go on and on. I'm using about a 1/4 cup of the milk. Next, I'm going to add some apricot oil, and this is a very light oil that is perfect for this wash. And I'm also going to be using some kiwi oil, which is rich in vitamin K, and vitamin K helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. And now we are going to cover this and we are going to blend to a creamy consistency. If you don't have the oils I use the ones you have, any 2 oils. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to strain. Now, mixing potato and milk is going to help to exfoliate the skin, get rid of blackheads and whitehead, get rid of dull, rough looking skin. Not only this, guys, this is also going to help to tighten and firm the skin. Another request that I have, guys, is that when you make this, store it in the refrigerator and use it cold, especially for your morning skincare routine. It makes a difference. You can also use this in the ice tray and make ice cubes and just rub this on your face whenever you awake in the morning. Very, very versatile, this remedy. So here it is. Go ahead and pour it in a pump bottle or any small jar you have and use it to wash your face AM and PM. So you're just going to use the wash to wash your face twice a day, and you're on your way to bright, radiant, natural, glowing skin.